Welcome to Lancaster County School District Career Centre and Culinary Arts. Here you'll find one of the hardest working subjects in the school district, where we look at the academics of the hospitality industry and we work our way through to where we have all the hands-on kinesthetic learning of actually working on cooking as well as serving and everything to do with restaurant management. It's a hard-working class, but it's very, very worthwhile. You have the opportunity while you're in here to be able to study and work towards certifications that are nationally recognized as well. And even during the pandemic, a worldwide pandemic, we managed to turn out an amazing array of different things. Take a look and see.